Welcome to the drone survey of 51 Townsend Road. In this drone video, I will be showing you the external conditions of the roofs of the outbuilding as well as the main roof of the house. On the roof of the outbuilding, you can see that due to improper installation, there's been a lot of water collecting, and due to improper sealing of the edges where the roof joins with the neighboring party wall, it has not been sealed properly, and due to this, there's a lot of water ingress as well as a lot of damage to the external skin of the roof. Now we move on to the main roof. With this main roof, we will be specifically looking at the loft dormer. The loft dormer, it appears to be fine. However, with my closer inspection, you can see that the left-hand drip edge has a gap in its skin. Now, with this external skin, it's important to ensure that all seams are bonded properly to the sublayer of this bitumen felt roofing. Now, as there is a gap within the skin of this roof, I would recommend this roof to be replaced with a fiberglass roof to ensure that there are no seams and further ensure water tightness of the roof.